So hey guys, welcome to Edufied. Today we will be discussing the current affairs of 23rd of September. So let's start with the first question. International Sign Language Day is observed every year on which date? So it is observed every year on 23rd of September. And basically this day is observed to support the linguistic identity and culture of all deaf people and other sign language users. And what is the theme of International Day of Sign Languages? It is We Sign for Human Rights. It is given by World Federation of Deaf. Let's move to the next question. Crime India report every year is released by which organization? So it is released every year by National Crime Records Bureau. And where is the headquarter of it? It is in Delhi. And who is the director of NCRB? He is Rampal Pawar. And NCRB comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs, and the Union Minister for Ministry of Home Affairs is Amit Shah. Next question. Which state has inaugurated South Asia's largest product development center digital hub to support startups? So it is Kerala, and the Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, inaugurated digital hub with a capacity to support 200 startups. It aims to provide direct employment opportunity for 2500 people at the hub. The Kerala Startup Mission KSUM leads the implementation of the project. Next question. With which country India is going to participate in the defense exercise Samudra Shakti? So it is going to participate with Indonesia. The exercise aims to strengthen the bilateral relationship, enhance mutual understanding, and interoperability in maritime operations between the two navies. The Indian Navy ship Shivalik, Kadmat are participating in the exercise, and we have to remember the name of the ships that have participated. It is Shivalik and Kadmat, and with which country? It is with Indonesia. Next question. Which fintech company collaborated with Bank of Baroda to provide banking services through the business correspondent model? So it is with PayPoint India. And if we talk about BOB, where is the headquarter of Bank of Baroda? It is in Vadodara, Gujarat. And who is the chairman of BOB? It is Hasmukh Adia. And what is the tagline? It is India's International Bank. Try to remember the whole data. It is important. Let's move to the next question. Which bank recently partnered with Visa to offer a suite of 9 credit card variants? So it has partnered with Yes Bank. And where is the headquarter of Yes Bank? It is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And who is currently the chairman of Yes Bank? It is Sunil Mehta. And what is the tagline? It is experience or expertise. Next question. Paytm is going to partner with which bank to launch co-branded credit cards? So it is going to partner with HDFC Bank. And if we talk about HDFC, where is the headquarter of HDFC? It is in Mumbai. And the chairman is Atanu Chakravarti. And what is the tagline? It is We Understand Your World. Let's move to the next question. Who has been appointed as the caretaker Prime Minister of Bulgaria? So it is Stefan Yanev. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Technology Officer of the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub? So it is Amit Saxena. Next question. What is the name of the third unmanned cargo aircraft which China has launched with the help of Long March 7Y4 rocket to deliver fuel to under construction space station Tiangong? So it is Tianzhou 3. Next question. Who recently became the 70th chess grandmaster after defeating FIDE Master Finek Vaclav. So it is R. Raja Ritwik, and the Grandmaster Chess Tournament was held in Budapest. It is the capital of Hungary. Next question. What is the motto of the Winter Olympic and Paralympic Games 2022 that will be held in Beijing, China? So it is Together for Shared Future. And if we talk about the mascot of Beijing Winter Olympic Games, it is Bing Duan Duan. It represents a panda. And if we talk about the mascot of Winter Paralympic Games, it is Shui Ron Ron. So the question of the day for banking specialists: when was RBI established and based on which act? So it was established on 1st of April 1935 and with the provision of RBI Act 1934. And if we talk about RBI, where was the first headquarter of RBI? It was in Kolkata, and later in 1937 it was moved to Mumbai. And if I ask you when was RBI nationalized, so it was on 1st of Jan 1949. RBI has 27 regional offices and 4 sub offices, and RBI have in total of 21 members, and those are 1 governor, 4 deputy governor, 4 from local board, 2 from Ministry of Finance, and 10 nominated by Government of India. Try to remember as much as possible. It is very important with respect to the banking exams. And let's move to the next question. So the question of the day for SSC special is: which of the following heritage site is not located in Maharashtra? So let's check. We have Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra. We have Elephanta Caves also in Maharashtra. We have Ellora Caves also in Maharashtra. But we do not have Siot Caves in Maharashtra. So the answer is Siot Caves. And the Siot Caves, sometimes referred to as Kateshwar Buddhist Caves, these are 5 rock-cut caves located in Kutch district of Gujarat. So remember the data. That's all for today. You have to like this video, subscribe the channel, and share as much as possible. And you can download the PDF from the link of the Telegram group which has been given in the description. Thank you.